In the past, after logging, leaving tree stumps behind had led to an extremely wasteful practice in logging, while also limiting the land for planting adjacent to the next line of trees. However, nowadays, people have found many methods to remove tree stumps from the ground, from small tree stumps to gigantic ancient tree stumps. So how does that process happen? Watch the entire video to understand more. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. The process of removing gigantic tree stumps from the ground is a task that requires expertise and high technical skills. To carry out this task, people often use tools such as saws, excavators, and axes. Firstly, the saw is an essential tool in the process of removing tree stumps. For large tree branches, the saw must have a long and sharp blade to be able to cut through them. For large trees, people often use motorized or electric saws to save energy. In addition, the excavator is also an important tool in this process. With the power of the machine, the tree stump can be lifted and moved to the necessary location for further processing. Finally, the axe is also crucial for processing the tree stump. The axe is used to chop the tree stump into smaller parts for easier transportation and processing. However, to use the axe effectively, people need to have the skill and experience. The combination of people and machinery has helped to quickly and efficiently complete the task. Large tree stumps are gradually removed from the ground, giving way to the next line of plants. Using a water sprayer machine for the process of uprooting trees is also a smart choice for those who do not have specialized equipment but still want to handle small and medium-sized tree stumps in their backyard. A high-pressure water sprayer machine is a high-tech device that can generate a strong pressure to spray water out of the nozzle at a very high speed. Thanks to this powerful pressure, the roots can be easily and quickly removed from the soil. However, to use the high-pressure water sprayer machine effectively, one needs to have skills and experience. Spraying water too strongly can damage the environment around and harm other plants and soil. Therefore, the person performing the task must know how to adjust the pressure of the machine to ensure no harm is done to the environment. After removing the soil attached to the roots of the tree, they use a saw to cut off the surrounding roots and use a hand tool to pry the tree roots up from the ground. It's easy and effective. To make holes in the tree stump is a commonly used method to easily process tree roots. When the holes are drilled, one can use gasoline or diesel to burn the tree roots. When designed and used properly, this method can effectively remove the tree roots without taking much time and effort. However, using gasoline or diesel to burn the tree roots also has risks. When burning the tree roots, the temperature will increase and can cause fire or create harmful smoke for the environment. In addition, using gasoline or diesel can also damage the root system of surrounding trees, affecting the growth of other plants. Therefore, before using this method, one must identify the risks and ensure that it is performed safely. In addition, the tree roots that need to be treated must be dry for a long time. If the roots have just been cut, using fuel to process the tree is not feasible. Nowadays, as the demand for processing tree roots increases and requires higher requirements while saving time and effort, the emergence of modern machines for the purpose of root removal has also been introduced. They help us process more easily without using human strength. The industrial tree root excavator is considered one of the most effective tools for processing large tree roots in gardens. Equipped with a powerful engine grip system, large wheels, and a sharp blade system, this machine can move easily in all-terrain conditions and process large roots quickly and efficiently. With the ability to dig up and pull up large diameter tree roots, the machine helps save time and effort in handling difficult tree roots. In particular, the machine is also equipped with a root and soil separation system, helping users easily separate roots and soil quickly and easily. In addition, the machine is also equipped with a safety protection system, ensuring safety for users during work. It is much more convenient than using a saw and water pressure machine to process tree roots. Therefore, using support tools in processing tree roots and trunks is extremely important, not only contributing to soil improvement but also making use of tree roots as fertilizer or firewood, reducing waste and soil exploitation. There are many methods for processing tree roots. However, each method has its own advantages. Choosing which method requires the worker to accurately evaluate the living environment around, the condition of the tree trunk that needs to be processed, and the system under the ground from which to apply the methods accurately and effectively. Isn't it interesting? Have you come up with a plan to remove tree roots yet? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.